Anne sat across from me, her shoulders slumped, her eyes filled with doubt. She had come so far, overcoming betrayal, self-doubt, and fear. She had landed a new job, but something was still missing. She couldn't shake the feeling that she wasn't good enough. "I just don't feel confident in myself," she admitted. "Even when things go right, I still hear that voice inside telling me I'm not enough." I smiled gently. "Let's try something different today, praise tapping." She looked at me puzzled. "Praise tapping?" "Yes," I said. "We spend so much time criticizing ourselves, but how often do we actually praise ourselves? This technique rewires your energy, activating all your meridians to be in praise of you." I guided her through the simple steps. "Think of something you want to praise yourself for," I said, "even something small." She hesitated, then softly said, "I showed up today." We began tapping on the karate chop point on the side of her hand. "Praise to myself." We moved to the top of her head. "Praise to myself." Next, we tapped at the beginning of the eyebrow. "Praise to myself." Then the side of the eye. "Praise to myself." Under the eye, "Praise to myself." Onto the collarbone. "Praise to myself." Finally, underneath the armpit. "Praise to myself." At first, Anne repeated the words mechanically, uncertain. But as we continued, I encouraged her to say it with conviction, with gratitude, as if speaking a deep truth into existence. With each round of tapping, something shifted. Tears welled in her eyes. "I feel lighter," she whispered, "like something inside me just clicked." I nodded. That's the power of praise. It's so rare that we truly honor ourselves, but when we do, we activate a deeper energy, one that says, "I am enough. I have always been enough." Anne left that day with renewed confidence, not just in her abilities, but in herself. Praise tapping is simple, but incredibly powerful. Whether you do it for a few minutes each day, or whenever you need a boost, it reminds you to honor you. Try it now. Tap, praise, and feel the shift. Get your own Tapping Spiritual Toolbox free at eftexpert.com.